Hello, my dear boys and girls. I hope all of you are doing good and you're all excited for today's class, which is going to be another mock test on the entire portion. And we are going to look at some very good, beautiful questions. Are you all ready? Hello, Tejavardhan. Welcome. Karen. Nice to see you, Karen. Very good evening. Welcome, people. Hi, Shital. Welcome. Arshad, nice to see you here, man. Welcome back. How are you? Kaveen, welcome, Kaveen. So, people, I hope all of you are ready, excited. If you're all pumped up and energized, then give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat, and then we will get started. Okay? Hello, Anish. Welcome, Anish. Nice to have you here. So, people, today I'll be discussing the mathematics mock test. I'll be covering some very interesting questions. So try to solve them. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes before I start solving. Maybe you can pause the video and also try it on your own. Okay? Great. Hello, Vijaya. Welcome. Anisha. Nice to see you, Anisha. Welcome. Great, great. Awesome. Very good, Ashad. Great. Hello, Varun. Welcome, Varun. Hemant is also here. So people, I guess everybody's here. Let's get started with this super duper awesome session wherein we will learn some amazing concepts through the questions. Okay? Great. So this is your JEE 2022. The exam is almost here. We just have 2 or 3 more days until the exam. So we need to make sure the entire syllabus is covered and you guys are all getting above 80, 90 for mathematics. Okay? So if you are all ready, shall we get started? Great. Hi Netra, welcome. Kalyan Kumar, welcome, man. So people, for all those who are new to this channel, who are here for the very first time, let me introduce myself. My name is Shimon Joseph and I am a mathematics master teacher here at Vedantu. So if you are an engineering aspirant, then you are at the right place, watching the right lecture, because we have Shreyas Sir for physics, Wasim Sir for chemistry, and you have me for mathematics if you're an engineering entrance aspirant. Okay? My background, I was also like you. I wrote JEE Mains. I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. I cleared JEE Advanced and I got into IIT Madras. So I did my graduation from IIT. Now I am here to help you guys realize your dream and get into these premier institutes. Okay? Hello, Sai Prasanna. Selva Kumari. Vijaya, I am doing fabulous, Vijaya. How are you? It's been a long time. Great, great. My tap is perfectly fine now. I hope it is going to be alright next week because JEE Mains is going to happen. I'm excited. Let's see. So people, let's begin our session. You are currently watching Enlite. This is the official English JEE and NEET channel of Vedantu. Okay, so if you're a JEE aspirant or if you're a NEET aspirant, whether you want to be an engineer or a doctor, you are at the right place if you want to learn in English. Okay, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe, share it to your friends and spread the love. Got it? And last but not the least, I hope all of you have smashed that like button. I hope all of you have smashed that like button. If not, please do it immediately and then we will get started. Okay? Perfect, perfect. Hi Vignesh, welcome, man. Shrikant, I am doing fabulous. Thank you for asking. Now people, it's time to get to business. The very first question is right on your screen. Please try to solve it. Hemant, I will start it probably from Monday or Tuesday. The Sure Shot series, okay? I will do it for sure. Maybe on Monday or Tuesday. Please stay tuned to the channel. We will come and help you with some amazing content. Awesome, Vijaya. It should be a reflex action for you. You have been here the longest, I guess, for almost 2 years. 1.5 years if I'm not wrong. Good, good, good. What's your All India rank? Kalyan, in JEE Mains. In JEE Mains, I got 464. In Advanced, I got 4192. Great. 150 is a good score. Yes, Sukesh, 150 is decent. But if you want computer science, it's not enough. If you want computer science, you need to aim for 180, 190 and so on. Got it? Karen, don't worry. Nervousness will only hamper your performance. Okay. So stay calm. You have the second attempt also. So don't break your head over the first one. Great, great, great. Yes, Kavin. Kavin, there are new courses launching. You can message me over here, Kavin. I'll help you. Okay. You can message me on my Telegram, which is Shimon_Joseph, and I'll help you. Okay. Great, great, great. Finally, I've told your exact AIR. I've told it multiple times, but yeah, not very frequently. Okay. IIT Mandi is good. Yes, Arshad. IIT Mandi, one of my friends studied computer science there, and now he is an entrepreneur. He has his own company. So, yes, you can. Whichever IIT you are, you have to make sure you study well. Okay. That is what matters. IITs will give you a good jump start in life. They'll get you jobs in good companies. They'll get you attention and all that. But ultimately, what you do with it, it's your skill and your passion. Clear? So answer is option D. Janet is right. IIT and Rohit, you are absolutely right. And who else? Vignesh. Great job, Vignesh. You are also correct. Stephen, very good. Very good. Gagan is also right. Okay, so people, the answer for this question is option D, 192. Sir, how sir? So, I can have 4-digit number greater than 6,000, or I can have a 5-digit number. So, 5-digit numbers can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So, 5-digit numbers totally will be 120. Sir, why sir 5-digit number? Because they didn't give any restriction, right? Did they tell you in the question? Did they tell you in the question that it has to be 4-digit? No. They said it has to be greater than 6,000. Greater than 6,000, it can even be 5-digit number, na? So 5-digit number, 5 blank spaces. I have 5 different digits to fill. So the first blank space, I have 5 options. Second blank space, I have 4 options. Why? Because we want without repetition. So whatever I used here should not come here. In that fashion it goes. Are you all clear? Everybody happy? Now, 4-digit numbers are also possible, but there you have to be careful because you want greater than 6,000. So the first digit can be 6, 7 or 8. So first digit has 3 options. Second digit, you have 5 options totally, but one of them is used over here. So you'll have 4 into 3 into 2. So this is your 4-digit numbers, total number of possibility, which will be how much? Which will be 72, I guess. So 72 plus 120, that will give you the total number, which comes out to be 192. Did you all like it? Are you all happy? So the numbers greater than 6,000 and 4-digit will be 72 in total. How? The first digit can be 6, 7 or 8. It cannot be 3 or 5 because that will be less than 6,000. We don't want that. The second digit can be any one of the 5 but without repetition. So what I used in the first blank should not be used here. That's why 4. Same way here, whatever I used in these 2 should not be used. That's why 3. And it keeps reducing. I hope all of you liked it. Very good question. Amazing, na? Very basic permutation and combination. Such questions are very common in your JEE Mains. You have to step up to this level, my dear boys and girls. Got it? Everybody happy with that? So now let's move forward to the next question which I have for you. Netra, the session PDF, I will share it after the class, once the class is over. Okay? Hello, Mokshagna, welcome. Nice to see you. Judith, welcome Judith. Nice to have you here. So people, now let's go to the second question. We have lots of questions to cover today. So we need to be fast. I want you guys to help me with speed. So first 1 or 2 minutes I'll give you time for you all to solve. So please bring out your pen, bring out your paper and try to solve it along with me. You're not coming here to chill. You're not coming here to enjoy life. Rather, you want to make a huge difference in your JEE Main score. Isn't that right? In a short time, you want to improve your score. So please be aggressive. Please be very attentive. Yes, Vijaya, yes, it's become very, very hectic for me for the last 2 weeks. It will be like that for next 1 week also. Maybe after JEE Mains is over, I'll get a little free. But yeah, last 2 weeks have been very hard for the entire team at Vedantu because we have been working hard for you guys. Board exams and now JEE and now future planning also. So yes, of course, it's been hectic. Great, great, great. Hello, Jay Ajinkya. Welcome, man. How are you doing? I hope you are doing good and your preparation is going great. Nice to have you here, Jay. Vedic Goel. Sir, can you do one shot on conic sections? Yes, my dear. I will try to do that. Maybe before the second attempt, I'll do it. I cannot guarantee before your first attempt because your first attempt is knocking at our door, right? It's just 2 days away. Got it? So answer is option D. Very good. This is a slightly easy question. This is just to test whether students know how to read and how to apply things properly because it is not a tough question, my dear. It is not a tough question at all. It is not a tough question at all. Okay. So PS is the median. Median means what? You draw from one vertex onto the opposite side such that it bisects the opposite side. So what is your S? Your S is the midpoint of Q and R. What is the midpoint of Q and R? 7 plus 6 by 2, 13 by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 3 by 2. That will be 1. So that is your midpoint, yes. Is that right? Are you all happy? Everybody cool with this? So what is the slope of PS? The slope of PS is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That's going to be how much? 2 minus 13 by 2. That's equal to how much? Minus of 2 by 9. Is that all right? This is the slope of the median PS. Now, it is parallel. The line which you are drawing is parallel to PS. So, the line which you are drawing has slope equal to minus 2 by 9 and it passes through 1 comma minus 1. So, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That's it. This is my line equation. Open it, solve it, get the answer. You are done. It should be option D, I guess. So all those who said D, you are absolutely right. Very good. Great, great, great. Jagdish, of course not, man. I will take in this channel also. This channel is my first baby. Okay. So of course I don't forget you guys. I will definitely take a lot of sessions here. And we will work together for second attempt. Well, okay. Shrikar, formula revision. I will do it 1 or 2 days before the actual exam. Got it? Perfect. Marks needed for Enlite Trichy. Enlite Trichy, if you want at least a decent branch, you need to score 160, 170 above. 160, 170 above. Guys, 150 below, you will not get anything good. 150 may sound like a great mark. 150 may sound like a great mark. Sir, 150 is 92, 93 percentile, sir. But 92, 93 percentile means it is 70,000 rank. I am sorry to break the news to you, but I think you should know it. What is 93 percentile? 93 percentile means 70,000 rank. So, you know what 70,000 rank can get you. So, you need to at least break into top 50,000. That means above 95 percentile. 95 percentile means 160 to 170 above. Anything above 170 is a great score. You will get something in a good NIT. Anything below 150, you will not get good NITs. But yeah, for the first attempt, it's a great improvement. For those who are starting Now, if you get 150, 140, 130, it's a good motivation for you to do well in the next attempt. I will never discourage you. I will not tell, hey, you got 140, nothing you will get, your waste. No, if you're a beginner now and if you got 140, it is an amazing job. You should take it as a motivation and prepare harder for the second attempt. That's why JEE gives you 2 chances, right? So utilize the second chance properly. Got it? For those who are scoring below 150, that is my advice. Clear? Okay, so people, are you all happy with this question? Can you all give me a yo? Can you all give me a fire in the chat? And then we will move forward. Come on people, quick, quick, quick. I want all of you to let me know in the chat and then only we are moving forward. Very good. Yes, yes, yes. Definitely Vijaya, all the best for your exam. Do well. Kinmurti, welcome man. Akshaya, nice to see you. Shrikar, so soon data over. What is this man? I'm feeling bad now. Okay Shrikar, I hope you will check out the replay at least. Superb. So with that people, let's go to the next question. The next question is right on your screen over here. Please try to solve it. It's again a beautiful question. It's again a beautiful question. Everybody try to solve it. Exactly, Vijaya. Harsh, I am doing absolutely fine, man. Thank you for asking. Sir, only 75% syllabus is complete. What to do? Jagdish, what is your target score? Can you achieve your target score with 75% syllabus? If yes, there you have your answer. Why are you scared? But if you are having aims of getting 200 and if you are only 75% done, then you need to start covering the remaining. Okay, so work hard. So work hard and try to at least reach very close to your target score so that in the second attempt you can achieve whatever you dream of. Okay, great, great, great. So people, shall we get started? The answer is circle. No, it is not a circle. It's a very good question. It's a very good question. Okay, everybody try to solve it. Are only previous year's questions sufficient? At this point of time, I would say at least solve that. But I would never say they are sufficient. It is a good resource to use, but not sufficient for sure. Jagdish, you are absolutely right. The answer is parabola. Shrikant is right. Very good. Akshaya, no. Mokshagna, no. The answer is parabola. The answer for this question is a parabola. It's a very good question. It's a very good question. Okay. So, shall we begin? Shall we get started? Are you guys ready? Yup. How many of you are ready? So, let's get started, people. So, now we have a circle which has center at 4, 4, correct? And we have another circle which touches this circle externally. And that circle touches the x-axis also. So we need to find the locus of center of that circle. Okay. Locus of center of this circle I have to find. Correct now? Now people, if it touches the x-axis, can I say radius is equal to y coordinate? Can I say the radius will be equal to the y coordinate? Everybody understands that? Very simple. No difficulty over there, I hope. Now, if they touch externally, the condition is C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. That is, the distance between centers. The distance between centers is nothing but sum of the radii. It is nothing but sum of the radii. What is the radius of first circle? The radius of first circle is equal to 4 square plus 4 square minus of minus 4. So that's going to be equal to 6. So the radius of first circle is 6. The radius of second circle is how much? K, right? Because the radius of second circle is nothing but the y coordinate. Why? Because it touches the x-axis. And I'm assuming it to be in first quadrant. You guys can take it as plus k, minus k, mod k. It's up to you. I'm just assuming it as first quadrant and I'm solving it to make our life easy. Got it? So it's going to be equal to 6 plus k. Now square it, open it, solve it. You will get a parabola. You will get a parabola. So how do I open it? H square plus 16 plus k square plus 16 minus 8h minus 8k is equal to 36 plus k square plus 12k. So k square cancels. I will get a very beautiful, I'll get a very beautiful expression which you guys can solve. Are you all happy with it? Everybody cool? No doubts? So shall I proceed? Yep. So this will be a parabola. I hope all of you can see that. Nothing special, nothing great. Very simple one. Got it? Very good. Yes, Netra, for JEE Advanced, we'll have problem solving sessions. I will not be able to teach, but yeah, problem solving sessions we will for sure have. Got it? Guys, are you all happy with this? Is everybody comfortable? I think after this, you just have to square and solve, guys. There is nothing special over here. It's very simple only. Okay, so with that, I will move forward to the next one. So if you simplify, you will get a nice parabola. So this is what I did. This is what I did. After that, you square, and if you simplify, you will get something like this. So this is basically a parabola. It's x square equal to 4ay. So x square equal to 4ay is a parabola, of course. That's why the answer is option B. Got it? Did you all love it? Was it a beautiful question? Are you guys enjoying the questions which I have brought? Are you learning something out of it? If yes, let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo and a fire. Then we will go forward. Great. So this is the next question which I have for you. Everybody try it out. It's fabulous. Himanshu says C. Very good, Himanshu. We will check it whether you are right or wrong. Because Dhanush says B. And Himanshu, 100 marks in mock test. No problem, Himanshu. Try to slowly extend it. Aim for 130, 140 in first attempt. If you are getting 100 in mock, try to push it by a little margin. Try for 120, 130, 140 in the first attempt. That will give you a lot of confidence. So that the second attempt, you can again extend it by 30, 40 marks and break into top 170, 180. So that will be a great strategy for you, Himanshu. Right away, in the first attempt, in just 2-3 days, you cannot get into 70s, 170s, 180s. It's very hard to increase by 100 marks in just 2-3 days. It is impossible. But 20-30 marks, yes, it's doable. If you work on chemistry, inorganic, organic, physics, covering all the concepts and formulas, being ready for the exam, all this can help you push your score by 20-30 marks. Got it? So do that, and then maybe second attempt push yourself to achieve 170, 180, because that is what I would say is an ideal target for all my children. Okay, only then you will get good colleges, good branches that you want, and you will have a great life. Okay, if you get slightly below, then maybe I would suggest you to take second attempt very seriously. Cool. So yeah, let's try to solve it, people. I'm going to do it in a very different way. So I'm going to write x as pi by 2 minus h, where h tends to 0. So can I write it like that? So what will happen? It will become limit h tending to 0. Cot x will become cot pi by 2 minus h, which will be tan h. Which will be tan h. Minus cos of pi by 2 minus h is sin h. Divided by, I'll have pi by 2 minus x whole cube. I'll take a 2 outside. I'll write this as 2 into pi by 2 minus x whole cube. So that will be what? 8 into pi by 2 minus x whole cube. So what is pi by 2 minus x? Pi by 2 minus x is h. So I'll get h is equal to pi by 2 minus x. So I'll get 8h cube. So this is what I have. Are you all clear with it? Now, how do we solve this? You cannot do it directly, guys. You need to use your common sense. You need to use your brain for solving this question, okay? Don't do it directly. So what I'll do is, I will write tan h as sin h by cos h. Now I'm going to take sin h common. I'm going to take sin h common. So I'll be left out with 1 by cos h minus 1 divided by h cube. So 1 by cos h minus 1, I can subtract it, right? So if I take LCM, it will become 1 minus cos h by h cube. Now 1 minus cos h, I can write it as 2 sine square h by 2 divided by cos h divided by h cube. So now you can simplify. So sin h by h will become 1. So sin h by 1h will become 1. I have sin square h by 2. So I'll divide by 4, multiply by 4. Now this will become 1 because sin square h by 2 by h square by 4. That will be 1 because it is sine of something tending to 0 by the same something tending to 0. So what is my answer? My answer is, that is a 1 by 8 also. So that my answer will be 2 by 32. Why 2 by 32? Because 2 in the numerator, denominator is 8 into 4. 8 into 4 is 32. Sir, what about cos h? Cos of h when h tends to 0 is cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So that's why the answer is 1 by 16, and that's the way you do it. I hope all my lovely boys and girls got it. Are you all clear? Yes, everybody cool with this? Very good, very good. You guys are awesome. Sir, can we use expansion here? Of course you can use expansion, but like I said, I don't know how many of you are aware of expansion, and I don't want to confuse you. So if you know expansion, please use expansion, that will be shorter. But if you don't know expansions, then this is the way you do it. This is the standard approach which every student should be aware of. Okay. So if you want to know more about expansions, then refer to my marathon videos where I teach you limits and derivatives. No, that I would have explained. Very good, very good, very good. So with that, shall I move forward? Great, great, great. So now let's go forward to the next question, which is right over here. Please try to solve this, people. Everybody try to finish it off. Fantastic. What is the minimum marks to qualify for advance? Abhisha, the minimum marks to qualify for advance would be around 120, 130. But with that, you cannot do anything, Abhisha, because 120, 130 will not get you NITs. It will just help you qualify to write advance. Okay, so don't aim or settle for 120, 130. Aim for 150 at least. I will tell you a pathway. The second attempt is still there and you guys can easily crack it. Because JEE Mains, trust me guys, it's not very hard. It is not very hard, contrary to what people think. It is very simple. You just need to be hardworking and excited for the next 1-2 months. Exactly. Tech bliss, you are absolutely right. JEE Mains, in 3-4 months, you can get 150. I'm not even kidding. Maybe 200, yes, it's a bit hard. You have to work really hard. You have to start from maybe your 11th and 12th. Maybe then you can get 200, 220 easily. But getting 150 is really simple if you are a hardworking, consistent student. So next 1 month, follow whatever we are telling, be regular, every day put 10 hours of practice. You can easily reach 150. Target chemistry. Chemistry is scoring subject. Inorganic and organic. Study NCERT, solve previous year's questions. Then you are on your way to crack into top ranks. Okay? Exactly. Very good. 160 is enough? Absolutely. For NITs, yes. You will get some branch for 160. But if you want computer science, then you have to go above 180. Okay? So people, what is the answer over here? It's a very good question because you have modulus. Because you have modulus. Sir, where's sir modulus? What are you telling, sir? What are you telling? Hello, this is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So that's going to be 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 whole square. Is that right, my dear children? Is that right? How many of you are okay with this? Sir, yes, sir. What you said is absolutely right, sir. I am very happy. How many of you believe what I said is absolutely correct? Let me know in the chat. I want to see some answers. Come on, people. I want you to be interactive. Very good, very good. RLR Entertainments. I hope you're doing well, man. I hope the crash course is helping you a lot. Very good. Saravana Kumar. Welcome. How to upgrade it to live? I'll tell you, man. Give me some time. First, let's complete the questions, learn some great concepts. Then we'll come to the crash course. I'll tell you. Okay. So people, here I'm going to teach you a very nice concept. Listen carefully. See, root of x square is equal to mod x. I have told you this. If you are my student, you would have heard this from me long time ago. Very frequently. When I was teaching about calculus basics. Right? Root of x square is mod x. People think it is plus or minus x. People say whatever they feel like. But root of x square is actually mod x. Okay? Because square root cannot be negative. Square root should always give you a positive value. So likewise, when I take square root of x square, it's going to be what? It's going to be modulus of that. Correct now? Is that right? Everybody cool? So now, how modulus will split? Because only after I open the modulus, I can integrate. So how does the modulus split? I have to check where is it negative, where is it positive. So it will be positive from 0 to when this quantity becomes 0. So when will the inside quantity become 0? The inside quantity will become 0 when sin x by 2 is equal to half. That means x by 2 should be equal to pi by 6 or 5 pi by 6 and so on. So that means x should be equal to pi by 3, 5 pi by 3 and so on. So that's only one value where it becomes 0 in this interval, 0 to pi. So I'll split it till there. 0 to pi by 3, it is going to be positive. It is going to be positive. Okay. And from pi by 3 to pi, it is going to be negative. From pi by 3 to pi, it's going to be negative. Isn't that right? Everybody cool with that? Yes. So from pi by 3 to pi, it's going to be negative. So I'll put 2 sin x by 2 minus 1 because it's going to be negative, ulta. Now integrate this and get the answer. Can you all do that? Everybody? Yes, Ashwin. For the second interval, it will be like what you said. Okay. For the second interval, it will be like what you said. Clear? Very good. Very good. Definitely, Harsh, I will send you the PDF right after the session is over. Okay. I will send it in the Telegram group. So guys, please make sure you're all joining our Telegram group every day after the class. If you're a new admission. Okay. New subscriber. Okay. I'm talking as I'm a school teacher. New admission boys and girls, please join Telegram group. I will share the PDF over there. Okay, Deepsika, welcome. Nice to have you here. So with that, people, let's go. Let's go to the next one. Over here. Please try to solve it. Fantastic question. Guys, that integration, I hope all of you can do. I solved it till the last step. Just open the integral and then you will get it. Now, coming to one more JEE Mains questions. So guys, whatever I'm giving you, it has been asked before in your JEE Mains exams. So yeah, please try to take them seriously. Okay, please try to take them seriously. These are all actual JEE Mains questions. And can you believe they asked from heights and distances? You know, when I was teaching, right, from 2013-14 onwards, every year they used to ask heights and distances question. Heights and distances is what you learn in your 10th standard using trigonometry. You remember? Angle of elevation, angle of depression. Using trigonometry we solve questions, right? It used to be a very high weightage area between 2013 to 2019-18. Of late, these questions have reduced, but still it's good to cover them. Because who knows, it might pop up in your paper and you need to be able to solve it. Okay, it was very high weightage between 2014 to 20, but off late it is reducing in weightage, but yeah, it's good to cover it. Fantastic. Venkat, I will try to do it, Venkat. Don't worry, man. I'll help you. Okay. Stephen, solving PYQs and reading NCERT heavily for chemistry. Maybe you can try, Stephen. Yes, it is possible if you put a lot of hard work. Hello, SHK Sirasapalli. Welcome. Nice to see you. Great. So people, how do you solve this question? Come on, guys. Nobody is answering. What are you all doing? So silent. Where is the energy? Where is the Josh? Come on, guys. Let me know in the chat. Give me a yo. Give me a fire in the chat. Then we'll move forward. Very good, Janet. Very good. Shrikant, Teja, Mokshagna, Aniket. Very good. You guys are absolutely right. Great, great, great job, guys. Gaming with Draco Star. You are also right, my dear. Fantastic. So people, let's try to solve it. You have a vertical tower which has A on the ground and B is the topmost point and C is the midpoint of A and B. And P is a point on the ground such that AP is twice of AB. That means if this is, let's say 2H, then this is going to be 4H. Is that okay? Everybody liked it? Because AP is twice of AB. So this bottom base length is double the height of the tower. Double the height of the tower. So this will be H, this will be H. Why? Because C is the midpoint. Now what they are saying is, BPC is beta. That is BP and C. This angle is beta. They're asking you what is tan beta equal to. They're asking you what is tan beta. Did you all like the background of this question? Everybody clear with it? Are you guys happy with it? Everybody? Can you all please let me know in the chat, guys? Give me a quick thumbs up, a yo, and a fire in the chat, and then we'll go forward. Now, I want to find beta. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to take this angle as alpha. So let me find tan alpha first. What is tan alpha? Tan alpha is equal to opposite by adjacent. So H by 4H. So it's going to be 1 by 4. Everybody cool with that? So tan alpha is H by 4H, which will be 1 by 4. Now I'm going to consider this whole angle. Let me do it together. So this whole angle is alpha plus beta. So I'll have tan of alpha plus beta. So what is tan of alpha plus beta? It is going to be opposite by adjacent. So it's going to be 2H by 4H. Correct? 2H by 4H, which is equal to half. So that is your tan of alpha plus beta. Everybody clear with it? Are you all happy? Now we can finish it off. Why? How, sir? So tan of alpha plus beta is what? It is nothing but tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So tan alpha is 1 by 4. So I'll plug it in. So I'll get 1 by 4 plus tan beta by 1 minus 1 by 4 tan beta is equal to half. So now you have only tan beta as a variable. So you guys can finish it off and get the answer. Everybody clear? Did you all love it? Everybody happy with this? If you're all clear, please let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, and then we'll move forward. Very good, Mokshagna. Very good, Akshaya. I'm glad you're following it. Great job. Hello, Yogesh. No problem, Yogesh. We are just halfway through this lecture. So we have plenty of questions. You can still try and solve them. Sivasai. Wonderful, Sivasai. Good job, man. Jyotish Kumar Bora. I will try to do that. First, let your seniors finish their exam. Okay. Let 2022 batch get over At least first attempt, then I'll make a motivation for 2023 as well. Great. So Ashwin, even if you have home state, OBC, NCL, you still will need 99 percentile and above, man. NIT Trichy Computer Science is very, very demanded. Okay, very much in demand. So you need to really work hard. 99 is required. Okay. So people, I hope all of you are clear. So can you all solve it? It is just a simple linear equation. Solve it. The answer is 2 by 9, not 4 by 9. Akshaya, it is 2 by 9, Akshaya. Please check it, okay? Very good. I am scoring 200 plus in mocks. Ashwin, then you are safe, man. I think you have a very high chance of getting NIT Trichy. And moreover, you are from Tamil Nadu, so it's advantageous for you. You will get it. Okay. So if you're already getting 200, then push yourself for 230, 220, 230. Okay, that will be a dream score. Got it? So try doing that. So people, shall we all try and solve this question? This is a fantastic question. Let me see how many of you can crack it. It's a beautiful question. Let me see how many of you can actually crack it. Okay, I'm gonna watch. Yes, Kavin, I'll check it out after my session. Yogesh, I think you might be right. We will check it, Yogesh. We will check it. Great, great, great. Very good, Akshaya. Please try it out. Yogesh, are you sure? Okay, we will check it, Yogesh. No problem. I'm glad you tried it. So people, everybody please try to solve it. I want all of you to participate. Maximum effort. Come on guys, do it quick. So how do we solve this question? Any idea? So what am I going to do here? Danish also says C. We will check it, guys. So what am I going to do here? Watch carefully. I have cos A plus sin A is equal to, what do I have? Is equal to 2 by cos B plus sin B. Okay, is equal to 2 by cos B plus sin B. So I took this term to the right hand side. Now cross multiply it. Okay, I'm going to do cos A plus sin A. I'm going to multiply with cos B plus sin B. And that is equal to 2. So now what will this be? This will be cos A cos B plus cos A sin B plus sin A cos B plus sin A sin B is equal to. So now I'm going to group these terms. I'm going to group this and this. And I'm going to group this and this. So what will I get? The black color underlined ones is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B, which is cos of A minus B. And the green color one is cos A sin B plus sin A cos B is sin of A plus B. So this is equal to 2. So how can cos plus sin be equal to 2? Very good question. Very good question. Because if this plus this is equal to 2, that means this has to be 1, this has to be 1. Only then it is possible. Because cos maximum value is 1, sin also maximum value is 1. Only if they are taking their respective maximum values, I can get this equality to be right. Legendary question. If cos of A minus B is 1, that means A minus B is 0. That means A should be equal to B. If sin of A plus B is 1, that means A plus B is equal to pi by 2. So it's a right angle triangle. Because if A plus B is equal to pi by 2, then C is equal to pi by 2. So it's a right angle triangle at C. Okay, it's a right angle triangle at C. Are you all clear? And since angle A and angle B are equal, so it should be 45, 45. So it will be A and A root 2. So these are the three sides of your triangle. A and A root 2. So what is A plus B? A plus B is A plus A divided by C is the hypotenuse. So C is A root 2. So I'll have 2A by A root 2. So the answer is just root 2. Legendary question. I hope all of you loved it. Very good, Janet. Very good, Shrikant. Very good, Akshaya. Great job. Sayan Saha. Very good, Sayan. You are also absolutely right. Good job, Sai Prasanna. Yogesh. That's correct, Yogesh. Larshan Vinay. No problem, Larshan. You can continue from here. I have plenty of questions left out. Very good, Purva. Harsh. Mokshagna. Brilliant. Okay. Great job, guys. Great job. So with that, shall I move forward? By observation, we can say that A and B are 45 degree. Yes, Himanshu. If you are making such substitutions, then be sure you are substituting the right way. Because generally, there might be some traps. You have to be careful. Okay. That's why I don't recommend it. I don't solve it that way. But yes, for some questions, I do agree it works. Okay, so with that, people, let me move forward. I hope you all enjoyed the questions so far. Are you all having a blast of a time? Did you all love it? Are you getting some confidence, learning some cool concepts? Yes? Fantastic, people. So with that, let me move forward. But before I go forward, I want to let you know about the crash course that is going on. So people, like I said, many of you want to reach 150, 160 at least by the second attempt, correct? And you are right now at 100, 110, 120. You're asking, what can I do? Of course, I want you to attend my live sessions in YouTube because that is going to be very, very easy way of improving, organic way of improving. I will take sessions along with Shreyas sir and Wasim sir. So you guys are free to attend in this channel. Okay, but along with that, if you want a more intense course, intense means what? More time, more involvement, more test, aggressive assignments, then the crash course can be a good complementary add to what we do in Enlite. Okay, so if you want to take this as an add-on, then please do check it out. The JEE crash course started just 1 week back and it is a live crash course. Live means you will be learning real time with your teacher. Got it? So they'll be explaining the concepts. You can ask them the doubts directly then and there. Okay. So this comes with test series, assignments and a very good guarantee of you getting 170, 180 in your second attempt. Okay. So don't miss these opportunities. With that, let's go to the next one. Exactly. So Wasim sir is here. Okay. So yes, like he said, this attempt is just 2 days away. I'm sure most of you are aiming to do well, but you have a lot of time for the second attempt. You have 1.5 months. A lot can change in that time period. Okay. So if you are interested to crack into 150, 170, obviously you need to take some help, guys. Okay. You need to take some help and that the crash course can do for you guys, I hope. Many of you are already part of the crash course, right? I hope it's helping you. I see a lot of my crash course students. So guys, if it's helping you, let me know in the chat and let your friends also know so that they can benefit from these. Great, great, great. Okay, so people, with that, let us move forward to the next question. Please try to solve this. Great, great. Oh, it's a prank, is it? It worked well, man. I really thought it was Wasim sir because he has a very similar ID. Hello, Ranadir. I am good, man. Nenu bagunanu. Nuvela unaru. Please do a video on tricks and tips for JEE. Yes, Mokshagna, I will try to do that. Jagadish. See, if you are aiming for advanced, Jagadish, in JEE Mains, you should be at least scoring 230, 240. 200 plus for sure, 230, 240 if you are scoring, then you are a very good aspirant for advanced. But if you are not confident about getting 200 in JEE, then I would say better focus on JEE for now. Okay, do well in JEE Mains, get a good NIT, then maybe you can think about dropping or planning your next year. Clear? Okay, so people, what is the answer for this question? Come on, guys. Everybody. My Telugu is good, I know. Because when I was in IIT Madras, no, many of my classmates were from Andhra, Telangana. So whenever you study in IIT, right, you naturally get Telugu. Because there are so many Telugu students. So it's very hard to avoid learning or picking up a few lines of Telugu along the way. Because you study there for 4-5 years, right? That's why. Great. So yeah, people, let's get started. What is A cross B cross C? I have taught you this under vector triple product. What is A cross B cross C? It is going to be 1, 2, 3. So that will be 1, 3, 2 minus 1, 2, 3. That is equal to root 3 by 2 B plus root 3 by 2 C. Correct now? Everybody cool with that? So now compare. So C coefficient is minus A dot B. The coefficient of C vector is minus A dot B. Their coefficient of C vector is root 3 by 2. So what is A dot B? A dot B is mod A mod B cos theta. A dot B is mod A mod B cos theta. But mod A and mod B are nothing but 1 because they are unit vectors. So mod A mod B is nothing but 1. So I'll have cos theta is equal to what? Cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So if cos theta is equal to minus root 3 by 2, then theta will be what? Theta will be 5 pi by 6. That's it. Sir, my board exam was IIT Madras. Larshan, that's awesome, man. Kendra Vidyalaya. KV, right? KV is inside IIT Madras. It's a beautiful campus, guys. IIT Madras is, it's love. It's a very, very beautiful campus. You will enjoy it if you go inside. It's huge. It's 600 acres. It's huge. It's a city in itself. Okay. But the campus is awesome. Lots of greenery, lots of animals like monkeys, deers. They'll be running here and there. Okay. So people, I hope you all like this. I hope you all like this question. Shall we move forward? Great, great, great. Awesome. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. The next question is right on your screen. Please try to solve it. Come on, guys. I want maximum students to get this right. Thank you, Mokshagna. Is partial drop for advance good idea? It is good, but generally people don't have the motivation. Generally, I'm saying. I don't know about you, but generally, if somebody gets into NIT Trichy, that to computer science, the motivation to prepare for next year advance will not be great, man. I'm not telling you to do the same, but I'm just giving you a warning. Let's say you get into NIT Trichy, computer science. Very good branch, very good college, but you want to get into IIT. But once you go to college, once you go to the hostel, once you see your friends living the college life, will you have the same level of motivation to prepare for next year advance? You need to think about it. Okay. So if you can maintain that motivation, then yes, why not? Of course you can do it. But generally people cannot sustain that level of motivation. Okay. Great. Sir, please bring Tattva questions. Yash, these are all previous year's questions, man. They are very important. That's why I'm trying to solve them. Whatever I'm bringing here is some of the most expected, you can say, most probable questions. And don't worry, if there are any great questions from Tattva, which can be solved at this point of time, I will include it. Because Tattva is the secret resource of Vedantu, man. Great. So people, shall we get started? Let's go. What do we have? The value of A for which the points ABC with position vectors so and so are vertices of a right angle triangle. So you have a right angle triangle with right angle at C. So this is your A and B. So then can I say, my dear boys and girls, AC dot BC is equal to Anda? Legendary. Very good, my dear boys and girls. Yogesh, very good. Sanchari, very good. Yogesh, Snehit, Akshaya, Mokshagna, brilliant work. The answer is option D. Tanga Santosh, awesome man. Larshan, Tattva is the study material of Vedantu. Tattva is a study material which Vedantu provides to all its students. Be it a crash course student, you will get PDF, or a long-term student, you will get hard copy. Okay. So people, let's try to solve this question. What is AC vector? AC vector is C vector minus A vector. So it's going to be A minus 2 I cap minus 3 plus 1. So it's minus 2 J cap plus K minus K will become Anda. So this is AC vector. Next, I have to find dot BC vector. So BC vector will be what? A minus 1 I cap. Then you'll have minus 3, J cap will cancel off. Then you'll have plus 6 K cap. So this dot product should be 0. So what is the dot product? It is nothing but A minus 1 into A minus 2. So this should be 0. So A can be 2 or 1. That's your answer. That's your answer. Yes, absolutely. Himanshu, sir, so you do not recommend partial drop? Absolutely yes. That's my personal opinion. Guys, don't take it to heart. It's just my opinion. If I had a son or I had a daughter or I had a brother, I would not recommend him for partial drop. Partial drop is a waste. Okay. Because it's like keeping leg on two boats. One leg on college, one leg on next year. That's not good. Okay. If you want to take a drop, commit to it fully. If you're not sure about commitment, then better don't drop. Better go to college, be happy. Got it? Partial drop, I personally hate it. I don't like it. Okay, because that shows you're not very committed. It's a very safe play, which is not good. Okay. So people, with that, let's go forward to the next one. Please try to solve it. Sir, will this level of questions come in exam? Bhuvanath, in exam you'll get a mixture of questions, and you're right, I'm trying to cover moderate to easy questions. I'm trying to cover moderate to easy questions. Tough questions, I'll keep a separate session for it. Okay, you're absolutely right. I'm trying to cover the moderate to easy questions because they are the majority of the exam. Almost 40 to 60% of your paper will be these kind of questions. Okay, the tough ones, I will definitely do it. Okay, it's power n. I will keep a separate session for it. Because if I do the tough ones, many of you will feel discouraged, man. You will think that JEE is so hard. Shimon Sir is solving all tough questions. So that's the reason. First, let's do the moderate and easy ones, which are going to be majority in your exam. Then we will attack the tough ones. Got it? Tushar, my name is Shimon Joseph and I am a math master teacher, man. Great. Yogesh, if you got a good NIT, better go to NIT, man. NITs are good. And if you got a good branch, better go for it. Sir, but one boy got 36 rank in advance. Guys, there can be exceptions, guys. Anurag, there can be 1 or 2 cases where people have partially dropped. See, people partially drop, clear IITs. I told you it's my personal opinion. I generally don't like it. See, imagine if he got 36 rank by partial drop, he could have got top 10 rank by taking complete drop. You can argue that way also. So arguments can be made anyway, man. If he took a full drop, maybe he would have got All India rank 1. Who knows? That might have been crazy. He could have got into MIT. Of course, right? So yeah, partial drop is going to eat your time. Clear? So that is why I generally don't recommend it. But like I said, guys, it's just my personal opinion. If you ask me, if you are my friend, my brother or my sister, I would suggest that. Go for a full drop, or better don't drop. Okay. So yeah, guys, let's try to solve this question. Come on, people. So you have, for a positive integer n, if this expansion has a term independent of x. So whenever term independent of x is given, then please write the general term. Okay. So what is the general term? TR plus 1. That's going to be NCR first term 5 by x square whole to the power n minus r. Second term whole to the power r. Got it? So now collect the powers of x alone. Now collect the powers of x alone. So we'll have x to the power minus 2n plus 2r into x to the power 4r. So the powers of x is what? X to the power 6r minus 2n. So now we need a term independent of x. That means it should be x to the power 0. So 6r minus 2n should be 0. That means r should be equal to n by 3. So n should be a multiple of 3. That's it. So this is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3, this is a multiple of 3. All the 4 options are correct. All the 4 options are absolutely correct. Very good, Janet, you are right. This was a trap question. Okay, I just gave it to test whether you guys are actually solving it right. Okay, because if it is just a JEE Main question, you will be thinking only one option is correct. But yeah, good job, guys, good job. I appreciate all of you. Most of you said all of them are right. Great, great, great. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. Very good. So with that, people, let me move forward to the next question. A beautiful question. Please try to solve it, guys. Everybody, please do it. Unknown, I take for 2023 batch. 2024, not yet. I might take it after a while, maybe in 1 or 2 months. So JEE 2024 also I will take AI live, but maybe after 1 or 2 months, not right now. Very good. Yes, Himanshu, of course, Himanshu, of course. JEE Advanced, if you have to write, you have to clear JEE Mains. Okay, of course you have to write. Laddu Singh, how did it go? I hope you got whatever you wanted. Is 180 a good mark? Jaya Kirti, yes, it is a good mark to get NIT Trichy. You may not get computer science, you may not get electrical, but you might get other branches. Great, great, great. Fantastic. Tanga Santosh, live 2 years course. If you are in a live 2 years course, you will get hard copy. If you are in AI live, only PDF. Okay, great. Himanshu, yes, Himanshu, of course, of course. Yogesh says option C. Guys, try to solve the question. What are you all doing? Hemant, you are a bit late, but yeah, you can join from here, Hemant. I still have few more questions to discuss. Very good, Laddu Singh. Congrats, man. I'm so happy for you. All the best for your mains. Do well. Great. So yeah, people, are you all ready? Shall we solve this? Sureka, everybody says option C. Guys, is it option C? Janet, what did you get? What about others? Everybody is silent. All of you are busy in chatting only. Solve the question, guys. Come on, take out your pen. Take out your paper. Akshaya says option A. Okay, I've got a different answer. Shrikant says A. Himanshu says C. So yeah, now let's try to solve it, people. How do we do it? The normal to the curve at the point where the curve intersects the y-axis passes through the point. So y is equal to x plus 6 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So guys, intersects the y-axis means at the y-axis x coordinate is 0. So if I put x coordinate as 0, I will get y coordinate as 1. So the place where it intersects the y-axis is 0, 1. The place where it intersects the y-axis is 0, 1. Are you all clear? Yes? Everybody cool? Fantastic. So the place where it meets the y-axis is 0, 1. Now we need to find normal equation. So I need to find slope of normal. So slope of normal is nothing but minus 1 by slope of tangent. What is slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is derivative of the curve at 0, 1. So I need to find dy by dx. So what is y? Y is equal to x plus 6 by x square minus 5x plus 6. So y dash, that is dy by dx, will be what? Denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator, which is 2x minus 5, divided by denominator whole square. Now I need to find it at 0, 1. I need to find it at 0, 1. So put x as 0. So if I put x as 0, what will I get? I'll get 6 minus 6 into minus 5. So that's going to be 30. Divided by, I'll get 6 square. So I'll get the slope of tangent is 1. I'll get the slope of tangent is 1. So slope of normal is minus 1. So what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So the answer is x plus y is equal to 1, I guess. So answer is option C. So all those who said option C, you guys are absolutely right. Very good. Did you all like it? Everybody cool with it? How to increase marks in mock test drastically by 50 to 60 marks? Analyze your mock test heavily. Spend 2-3 hours. Analyze your mock test for last 2-3 tests. Study inorganic chemistry like a mad person. Mug it. Memorize each and every word of your NCERT inorganic chemistry. Organic chemistry, memorize all the named reactions, reagents, also the mechanisms. This can give you a drastic push. Your marks will increase by 40-50 marks if you are right now at 80, 90, 100. Increasing from 80, 90, 100 to 140, 150 is very easy. But increasing from 150 to 200 is slightly hard. That's the truth. Okay? That's the truth. Increasing from 80 to 150, trust me, it's easy. But if you are increasing from 150 to 200, that's going to be a slightly tough challenge. Okay? There you need to spend time. Maybe second attempt by using the crash course. Like I said, the crash course is live course. You have test series. You have assignments, dedicated assignments for improvement. So all that will help you. Like I said, check it out. Maybe that can help you. The link is given below in the description. Anurag, 100 to 150 can be done. Just do what I said. NCERT inorganic, NCERT organic. You should be thorough in that. And then solve previous year's questions. Okay? Perfect. So with that, people, let's go to the next question. Come on, guys. Everybody, try to solve it. Another beautiful question based on Newton-Leibniz formula. Do you guys remember that? What is Newton-Leibniz formula? Are you guys aware of it? Try to use it. Unknown. Maybe next year you will be able to answer. Don't worry. You will be well equipped next year. Just be regular to classes. You will be in a better position. Great, great, great. Study. Absolutely yes. 180, 190, 200. Depending on how much effort you are putting in. It's doable. Work on your mistakes. Study. You know where you are weak, right? You generally avoid that. Correct, na? Now focus on that. Next 1 month, what you are weak, what you are trying to avoid, focus on that. Automatically you will go to 200. Just trust me and do that. Okay, so people, what is the answer? Very good. Very easy, because you know Newton-Leibniz, man. You have been taught that. We have covered that very much in this channel. But if you don't know Newton-Leibniz, what will you do? Okay, so guys, how will you differentiate? It's going to be e power x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into 1. That's it. That's your derivative. So f dash of x equal to this. Now this is always positive. E power x is always positive, so don't worry about it. So these two I have to map. So draw a wavy curve. You have 1, you have 2. So the wavy curve will look like this. It will be plus, minus and plus. So they are asking where it decreases. Decreases means the derivative should be negative. So between 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2 it is negative. That's why C is the answer. That's why C is the answer. Are you all clear? Very good, Roshant. Fantastic, guys. So shall we move forward to the next one? Great. Very good. Very good. So with that, we will move to the next question, which is right on your screen over here. Now we are moving on to numerical, integer type questions. Very interesting question. Let's see how many of you can solve it. Okay, okay. Hemant, no problem, man. You have time. Shiva, definitely Shiva. I have a very important session today at Master for NEET droppers. My physics is RIP. What to do? Study, study. Focus on the easy topics. Modern physics, gravitation, laws of motion, 1D, 2D, work power energy. And then you have semiconductors. These are all slightly easy topics where you can score. So focus on them first. Try to get 60, 70 marks. Okay. Whatever you find extremely hard, for example, rotation, if it is very hard for you, leave it. No point. Okay. Leave a few hard chapters. Focus on the rest. What is the answer for this question? Come on, guys. Everybody. Very bad, very bad. Guys, it is not an integer exactly, but yeah, I think it will come out to be 1 by 24 if I'm not wrong. Answer is 1 by 24. I think it is 1 by 24. 1 by 12 is it? Okay, 1 by 12, I'm sorry. 1 by 12 or 1 by 24, something like that. I'm not too sure. I'll solve it. So guys, how do you solve this question? The reason I took this question is because you can substitute. You can substitute values. You don't have to solve it. How, sir? See, they asked f of 4x minus f of 6x. So just put some value for x. So f of 4x will be what? It is 1 by 4 sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. And f of 6x is what? 1 by 6 sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. So put x as pi by 2. So put x as pi by 2. So if I put x as pi by 2, this will be 1, this will be 0. This will be 1, that will be 0. So this will be 1 by 4, this will be 1 by 6. The answer is what? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6, which is 2 by 24, which is going to be 1 by 12. Khatam. Over. Okay, because this is a numerical, of course the answer has to be a constant. If the answer is a constant, then I can put whatever x I want to. The answer is a constant, then I can put whatever x I want to. Is this a JEE question? Yes, this is a JEE question. I'm not kidding. You can type it Google. You guys are very good at that, no? Google it. It is a previous year question, JEE Mains. Okay, but what is the actual method, sir? That is nice. I'll teach you. What is the actual method? I'm going to reveal it to you. Everybody, please focus. The actual method is f of 4x now. It is 1 by 4 sine power 4x plus cos power 4x. So that I will write it as sine square x plus cos square x whole square minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Is that okay? Algebraic identities. Algebraic identity. So this is going to be 1. So 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x by 4. That is your f4 of x. Isn't that lovely? Isn't that awesome? Very good, Anurag. That's awesome, man. Yes, yes, yes. Even I studied in ICSE, so I know some of the ICSE questions are brilliant. Everybody cool? Very good, Anurag. Absolutely right. So this is the way you guys solve it. So f4 of x I have simplified. Now let's simplify f6 of x. f6 of x will be what? Sine to the power 6 plus cos to the power 6. Right? Sine to the power 6x plus cos to the power 6x. So how do I simplify this? How do I simplify this? I will write as sine square the whole cube. And I'll write cos square the whole cube. So that will be what? A cube plus B cube, which is nothing but A plus B, A square plus B square minus AB. So this is what? Sine square x plus cos square x is 1. And just now I told you, sine power 4 plus cos power 4 is? Sine power 4 plus cos power 4 is 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. So now I have simplified it. This is going to be 1 by 6. So that is f6 of x. So I got f6 of x, I've got f4 of x. Now subtract them, you will get the same answer. You will get the same answer. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Because what is this? This is minus 2 minus 1. So it will become minus 3 times. Minus 3 times sine square x cos square x. Now when I take the 6 inside and when I take this 4 inside, this term will cancel when I subtract them. Okay? And you will get the answer is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Okay? Exactly, Harsh. The method I thought earlier was a shortcut, faster way of doing it, but this is a formal approach. This is a right approach. Got it? Very good. So with that, people, let's go to the next question, which is right over here on your screen. Come on, people. Everybody try to solve it. Sir, I got 212 in Vedantu mock test. Tarun, you mean the crash course mock test? Oh, that's a very high score, man. Congrats. Because the crash course mock test is exactly of JEE Mains level. Okay, so you are on the right track, Tarun. Very good. Keep it up and stay in the same zone. Or try to break into 230, 240. You are ensured of 99 plus percentile. Okay. Just work on your mistakes, Tarun. Find out in the mock test in Vedantu, they'll tell you where you are going wrong, right? So those areas you work upon. Where you are going wrong, those areas you work upon. You will easily break into 220, 230, which is more than enough. You get whatever you want. Okay. Good, man, good. That's a brilliant score. Okay, so people, are you all ready? Come on, guys. What are you all doing? Boys and girls. How much marks we can get easily? Logesh, getting 90 to 100 marks will not be that hard in JEE Mains. Getting above 100, slightly you need to work. Getting about 150, you need to work really hard. Getting about 200, you need to really work hard. Okay. Very good. So what is the answer? Hemant says 3 by 2. Okay, we will check it. So Yogesh also says 3 by 2. We will try to do it, guys. Listen carefully. So what is A? What is B? So modulus of A is what? Modulus of A is 3. Modulus of B is root 2. Correct? Modulus of A is 3. Modulus of B is root 2. And what is A dot B? A dot B is how much? A dot B is 2 plus 1. Correct? 2 plus 1. And that is equal to mod A, mod B, cos theta. So 3 is equal to 3 root 2 cos theta. So cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So that means the angle between A and B is pi by 4. The angle between A and B is pi by 4. Why do I need that? Because here I'm gonna use that. What is this? Modulus of A cross B into modulus of C into sine of angle between A cross B and C. Angle between A cross B and C is 30. So that is equal to 3. Now what is modulus of A cross B? It is mod A mod B sine of angle between A and B. Angle between A and B is what? Pi by 4 into mod C into 1 by 2 is equal to 3. So now mod A mod B is what? 3 root 2, correct? 3 root 2 and sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So root 2 cancels. So mod C is equal to 2. So I got what is mod C. But what do we want? We want C minus A dot C. We want A dot C. So let's square this. C minus A mod square is equal to 9. So what is C minus A mod square? It is C minus A dot C minus A. That is equal to 9. So that will be equal to mod C square. Then plus mod A square minus twice of A dot C. That is equal to 9. So mod C square is how much? Mod C square is 4. Mod A square is how much? Mod A square is 9 minus 2 A dot C is equal to 9. So I think A dot C will be equal to 2. A dot C will be equal to 2. So 2 is the answer, guys. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Janet is right. The answer is 2. Because A dot C comes out to be 4 by 2, which is 2 only. Did you all enjoy it? Are you all happy? Everybody clear with this? Great job, guys. Fantastic work. So that is how you do it. The answer is 2, guys. It's not 1.5. It is going to be 2. So this is the last question. I want everybody to try it with full enthusiasm. Come on, people. This is the last question for the day. Everybody try to finish it off. The normals to the parabola. What is the parabola? You have y square equal to 4x. You have y square equal to 4x drawn at the end points of lattice rectum. So lattice rectum means it passes through the focus, and end points of lattice rectum means these 2 points, which is going to be what? If I put x as 1, y will be what? Y will be plus or minus 2. So 1 comma 2 is one lattice rectum end point, and 1 comma minus 2 is the other end point. So I am drawing normals to the parabola at these 2 points. Now that will be tangent to the circle. So normal at the point will be equation you can find out. What is the equation of normal? It is going to be tx plus y equal to 2at plus at cube. That's the equation of normal. Do you all remember? So for lattice rectum, the parameter is t equal to 1. This end point, the parameter is t equal to 1. This end point, the parameter is t equal to minus 1. So let me put t equal to 1. I'll get x plus y equal to 2at is 1 plus at cube, that is 1 cube. So I'll get x plus y equal to 3a. What is a? I have 4a is equal to 4. So a is equal to 1. So that means x plus y equal to 3 is the normal. So I got the normal at the end point of the lattice rectum. Now this should be tangential to the circle. This should be tangential to the circle. Okay. So if a line is tangential to the circle, what it means is the distance from the center will be equal to the radius. What is the center? The center is 3 comma minus 2. The center is 3 comma minus 2. So the distance of 3 comma minus 2 from this line, from the line x plus y minus 3 equal to 0 should be the radius. So what is radius? Distance of this point, 3 minus 2 minus 3. So that will be minus 2 divided by root of x square plus y square, which is 2. So the radius is root 2. So r square will be 2. Is that right, people? I hope I didn't make any mistake. Please check it. Yeah, that's the way you do it. Okay. So the radius is root 2. So r square would be root 2 square, which is 2. Everybody happy with this? Are you all cool with this, my dear boys and girls? Yogesh, please pull the video back and watch it, Yogesh. Okay, I have already taken a lot of time, man. Okay, so please pull the video and watch it. I hope you all learned some cool concepts. So here I've taught you something extra. I taught you the parametric form of normal to a standard parabola. Parametric form of normal, and I told you what is the parameter for end points of lattice rectum. It is t equal to 1 for this point, t equal to -1 for this point. How -2 in the numerator? MSDN, distance of a point from a line. Distance of a point from a line, a into x1. So 1 into 3, b into y1. So 1 into -2, then plus c, divided by root of a square plus b square. Modulus. That's your answer. So 3 -2 -3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So -2 by root 2. Got it? So the radius is root 2, but they want radius square. So the answer is 2. Clear? I hope all of you enjoyed it. So that's about it, guys. This one, you guys can take it as a homework. Please solve it and let me know in the comment section. Okay? So those who are preparing for advance, I hope you are aware of the Eklavya batch. So Eklavya batch is going on. In case you are interested, check it out. I will leave the link in the description to know more about it. And for those who are interested in solving a quiz based on what I taught you, please check out the description of this video. And most importantly, next month you have the second attempt. So you have almost 1 month gap. In case you are interested to do well, in case you want to improve your score by 40 to 50 marks, then this can be a good choice, a good way of increasing it. This is a live crash course, guys. Okay. This is a live crash course. Live means it will be real time. The teacher will be present in the class. You can ask your doubts directly. Okay. Along with this crash course, you get test series, you get assignments, you get live class recordings after the session. Okay. So this is going to be helpful for those who want to increase your score, boost your score in these last 1-2 months that you have left of your teaching career or studying career, studying time. Okay. Because after this you are going to enter into college, right? You guys are no more students, school students. So yeah, guys, this is the entire schedule. So you have totally 69 classes, 23 for each subject. Every day you have physics, chemistry, maths. You will have 11 standard portions also covered. So many people ask, sir, will you cover 11 standard, sir? Sir, will you have basics covered, sir? Will it be from scratch? So you will have fundamentals being covered. For that we have 7 additional recordings. Apart from 69 live classes, you will have 7 additional recordings for basic understanding. Okay. Then you will have assignments. You will have doubt solving app which comes free with the crash course. So when you have doubts during your preparation, just take a photo of the doubt, send it to the app. They will reply within seconds. Got it? So all this is part of the crash course. Like I said, the basics, the fundamentals which you lack will be covered in the very first week. And the crash course just started this week. So please do not miss it if you are serious about second attempt. If you are very serious about second attempt, note down the schedule. It is in English medium. Check it. I will share you the link of the course. Go read the information. If you feel you will work along with it, then it can be the best game changer for you because it's very intense. Every day you see 3 o'clock to 8:30 you have classes. Every day 3 to 8:30, 3 to 4:30, 5 to 6:30, 6:45 to 8:15. So 3 o'clock till 8:30 you are packed with the crash course. So morning whole day you have, evening also after 8:30 you are free. So you still have time for self-study. That's the best part. Because normally if you have offline crash course, You go at 9 o'clock in the morning. You'll come back at 6 o'clock. You will be tired. You will sleep. No self-study time. That will be a big hindrance. But here it's from 3 o'clock to 8:30. You just need to sit in your house in front of a computer or a phone. Attend the crash course. Whole morning is free. Whole night is free. So you can have a lot of self-study time. Okay. So the English batch is taken by Gagandeep sir, Shishir Kumar sir and Ziad sir. So they're all very experienced teachers having produced top ranks in JEE. And the batch started just 4 days back on June 13th. It is going on currently for second attempt. So it's not yet late. The enrollments will close probably by the weekend, guys. Okay. So if you're serious, join it as soon as possible and use it to the best extent. Got it? So people, this is the Telegram group. Please join here because I will share the PDF over here. I will share today's PDF over there. This is the Telegram group of our channel, JEE Enlite. Okay. So join it and make use of the free PDFs that we share. And if you really like it, then spread the word. Make sure your juniors, your family, friends, everybody know about this channel, know about Vedantu. Okay. So people, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you haven't smashed that like button already, please do it. And with that, let me see you in the next session. Till then, take care. I love you all. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, work hard. Bye-bye guys. Take care.